Guess who's back? Back again. Me! Hi guys! I've missed you guys so much. I feel like I haven't seen you for years. How's life? How's work? How's the kids? How's the family? Okay, it's only been like 3 days, I think, that I haven't uploaded, but I feel like it's been years and years. So I am back. I'm trying to figure out my schedule right now. I work, I have the kids, you know, I'm trying to film. I started working out again because that dress is calling my name. So I'm trying to figure everything out. I think I'm gonna be uploading every other day. So I think that's what I'm shooting for, but just bear with me as I figure this out. So today we are going to be opening up our March Ipsy subscription. I love this bag. I absolutely love it. It's super cute. It feels like canvas. I think that's the material, what it's called. Super cute. It's pink right there. And then this little, it has a little ribbon. It doesn't have the normal like little Ipsy tag on here, but I love it. I think it's super cute. All right, I want to show you guys something, but remember, this right here, this little house of ours, our little space, is a no judging zone. Whatever I tell you, whatever you tell me, we don't judge because we're friends, and we're friends. We just don't judge each other, right? So I found the perfect use for my February. I feel like when I have my hair straight, oh my God, that's like one of my biggest pet peeves is like when I brush my hair, my hair, I shed like a puppy. My hair tends to fall out, especially when I'm like stressing out about the dumbest of things. Do you guys hear the wind? Oh my God. Alexa, what's the weather right now?
In Palmdale, it's 49 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can look for showers with a low of 43 degrees.
It's so windy. I can hear the wind going, woo, or whatever noise it makes. Anyway, so I feel like when my hair's straight, I shed like crazy, and then I brush my hair and I can feel like those like random hairs in the back of my shirt. I can't stand it. Anyway, so I found the best thing to do with my February bag. Right now, for some reason, I'm like crazy obsessed with Dum Dums. I don't know what it is. I don't know why. It's like, hold on, let me get my blended pizza. I don't know what it is. I'm like super obsessed with Dum Dums. Like that's all I want. I think because I'm trying to change up how I'm eating, my body is just like sugar, you know? So in my February bag, don't judge. Remember, we're not judging each other. We're friends. Friends don't judge each other. At least not out loud. I filled it up with Dum Dums, and I have this in my purse. So when I get the craving for something like, I want something sweet, I have a Dum Dum. I absolutely love them. Remember, we're not here to judge. You use your bags for what you want. I'll use my bags for what I want. So let's hop right into the, let's hop right into the March bag. So the first thing I see up in here, it has the little Ipsy Create March 2018 little piece of paper. And I was reading the back of this, and it says, get creative with this month's coloring book inspired glam bag. We included 2 markers. Feel free to use any color you like. I think that's a super cute idea. Let me find the markers. So these are the little markers that it came with, blue and green. I think it's super cute. I'm actually gonna color this up. I have, I think, Sharpies or something that I can use. I don't know, but I'm gonna color this up. I love that idea. So the first thing that I got in here is this brush. Okay, here's the thing. You guys know I love getting brushes. We've discussed it before. This is from Miss Glam SL41. So this is what the little like label thing looks like, if you guys can see that. I don't know, it's kind of blurry, but it does have little rhinestones on here, which I absolutely love. I love these pink and purple colors up here. The bristles are extremely soft. The handle is super glittery. I was trying to find the value of this, but what I found online is these usually come in sets. I didn't see a single one. Maybe I just wasn't looking in the right spot. If you guys know what the value of this is, or if you guys find it online by itself somewhere, please let me know. I just like to keep track of the value of the items in the bags, but I do absolutely love it. Super soft on the skin. Here's the thing though. It smells like a Sharpie. Like, you know what? Not a Sharpie, like the Marks a Lot. You know those Marks a Lot markers when you open it, you're like, when we know we shouldn't, don't do it. But you know you shouldn't. And you know what I'm talking about, that smell. That's what this smells like. Like, I feel like my March brushes, my March Morphe brushes, a couple of them smell the same way. So I ended up washing them before I used them because my skin is so prone to breaking out that I was just like, I don't know if I want to, you know, use them with that strong scent. But this one smells, it's like paint thinner. I don't know what it is, but it's a pretty brush. I'm still going to use it, but I am going to clean this before I use it. So that's item number 1. I don't know what the value of it is. The next item in here is the, okay, we're back. The next item in here is the free, let me get comfy. Is the Freematic eyeshadow by Duce. Isn't Duce like, oh brother, Duce, maybe I think it's called. And this is in the color Lola. This is a super, super, super pretty, like a mauve kind of color. Mauve is such a weird word to say to me. Mauve. It's such a weird word, but I think that's the color. Actually, I think it kind of matches my lipstick. I don't think this is mauve. I think this is the one I got in the Ipsy last month. Yeah, it is. It's mauve. Everything's mauve. Like, you're going to say marvelous. Like, marvelous. This is mauve. I don't know why. I think I like saying that word. Yes, it's marvelous. And you have to say it like with your hands like this. It's marvelous. It's mauve. It's mauve. So this is mauve. And it's not mauve. The name is Lola, but it's like a mauve color. And this is what it looks like right here. I swatched it earlier. I think it's such a pretty color. I did look up the value of this, and it does, I did find the cost of these like solo ones $10, but it didn't say if this was the actual size. So I'm gonna leave it at the value of $10. I think that's what it is, but if I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments down below. So far we have a running total of $10 because I don't know what the brush is worth. Whoops, I just dropped it. Okay, so the next item in here is a Hava Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. This is what that looks like there. My lights go crazy whenever I put something like close to it. They're like, ew, what should we do? Anyway, okay, and this says to apply to your face, rinse after 2 minutes, approved for sensitive skin. I'm actually going to use this tonight. I hadn't been putting any makeup on because I had a total Dr. Pimple Popper moment the other day. So I had this, okay, if you don't want to hear Dr. Pimple Popper's story, I'm not going to show anything gross, but go on and fast forward if you don't want to hear it. So I had this like a big pimple right here. Let me see, right here. And it was like just inside of my skin, and I can see like a little white tip in it, but it was like dug inside. So I was like, listen, I watched Dr. Pimple Popper. I know exactly what to do. So I grabbed my little pimple popper tool and I like freaking poked it. I should have never ever done that. Like, now I know why Dr. Pimple Popper gives like anesthetic or like shots to numb, like numbing thing before she does stuff like that, because oh Lord, I wanted to die. I was like, like grabbing my cheek. I was like, goodbye cruel world. And like everything that was in there came out, but now I left like a bad scab on my face. So I've been trying to like get it to heal. If you guys know what I can use to like get it to heal, I've been putting Neosporin on it because it's a wound. I figure it'll help close it, but it's horrible. Anyway, I'm gonna use this today to like wash off my makeup, not wash off my makeup, but my face and all that good stuff. The next thing I have in here is a Nip and Fab Exfoliate Glycolic Scrub. So it looks like this. And this, this one I found online, this exact size for $2.25. So we are at a total of $12.25. This one's kind of like the e.l.f., like the exfoliating ones, but this one says that you put it on your skin damp, and it's supposed to like brighten your skin. I'm definitely gonna try this one too. I'm super prone to breakouts all the time, but right now it just seems like, I don't know, it's the time change. That's what's causing it. You know, the time change causes everything. This one was $3.50, so we're at a running total of $15.75. The last item in here that I'm actually wearing today, I'll get all up in your personal space to show you, is the this mascara. It's from Eyeshadow London, and it looks like this, and it's actually, I thought this was gonna be like some kind of a lip gloss, but it's not, and it's like a squeeze little tube, and it says squeeze the tube to get the product on there. So I put one coat earlier, and I'm gonna put another coat on just so that you guys can see my beautiful lashes. All right. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Oh no, this is a bad mistake. I shouldn't have waited so long between coats, because now my eyelashes feel like when I try to put it on there, it feels like it's gonna rip my eyelash. Speaking of eyelashes ripping out, oh my god, you guys, I don't know what I've been doing, but okay, so I get my eyebrows threaded, right? And you know, when you get like there's certain things I can't stand. Like when you have those like random little hairs around your eyebrows, right? And you're just like, oh, let me take those out, right? Between touch-ups or whatever. I mean, yeah, between, you know, the time you have to go get them done. So let me show you guys the mascara. It's not bad. It's actually, you know what? This is something, because I love the what is this called? Like the packaging of this. I like it. Looks different. It looks like a lip gloss. I haven't seen mascara in this type of a tube or before, you know, so it is super easy to like, oh, I'm gonna go out, I might need mascara later, and pop, just drop it in your purse, or you know, whatever. It's easy to carry around. So I'm gonna toss this in my bag to use it, but it did leave my eyelashes feeling super stiff, like incredibly stiff. So I'm like, I have blink type thing, you know, but I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna throw it in my bag for emergency mascara purposes, because you just never know when that might happen. So this is, oh, this one, the full size of this mascara is $28, I believe it was, at Ulta. So this actual little travel size is about $6. So total we're at about $21.75 if my math is right, without this, not including this, because I couldn't find the value of it, which is great. I mean, the subscription is $10. You got a $21 value. It's not bad, you know, it's pretty good. So I'm definitely gonna keep the subscription. I love the bag. I might fill this one with Kit Kats. Kit Kats are my absolute favorite. Oh my god, I love them. You know what I'm gonna do? Actually, I'm gonna fill this bag right here with hot Cheetos and just carry them around, because you know, what if one day you're like, oh, I have an instant craving for a hot Cheeto, and you have this like in there, gold. And then you know what's even better is that my kids think that I use these for my feminine products, so they don't look for my snacks in here. I might hide like a soda pop in here. Oh, what else can I have? Pizza, a burger. Oh, the possibilities are endless. So I love it. I'm gonna keep it. I will leave the link in the description down below if you guys would like to sign up. I don't get anything if you guys sign up. You know, if you do, great, you know, and if you don't, well, then you don't. I love this bag. I'm definitely gonna color it all up and tag it up. I'll show you guys when I am done. So that was it for this month. I don't remember if I told you guys, I was charged for this bag March 1st. March 12th, I received an email saying it was on its way, and I received it March 14th. So I received it toward the middle of the month. Not bad. I'm super happy with it. I have a runny nose. Oh my god. Okay. So anywho, so yeah, that's about it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys have this bag, the subscription? Do you guys plan on signing up or not, or all the fun stuff? You know, let me know in the comments down below. Please, before you guys leave, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button somewhere there down below, and also the little bell notification so that you're notified every single time that I upload a video, because why would you want to miss out on all this fun? Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye.